Hello, and this is second video about my Russian moped Riga 26 Mini, and this time I want to show it how to start this moped, because in my first introduction or review video it didn't want to start, just would not start. So this is how you start this particular moped. First, like always, check that you're neutral. This big dot here means neutral and it's in the middle, and up is a small dot, that's the first gear. So if you turn it down, you can first gear, and then these two dots here is second gear, so you have to turn up for second gear. But right now we are in neutral. You can see kickstand is here ready. Yeah, we are in neutral. Then open the fuel valve. It's on the right side. Now it's closed. Turn it down. Now it is open. And then is a kill switch all the way to the left or up, depends how you look, is off. And now it is start position. And now we can start it. This is how it sounds. And if as a two-stroke, it smokes quite a lot. It's an old engine, but that's the sound what this moped makes. This is quite buzzy. But ticking over nicely. So why it didn't start in the first time in my first video, I don't exactly know, but that's the way the things are with these old mopeds. So I hope you like it. This is how it sounds. Amazing, I know. And this is how you stop it. So that was how to start this kind of moped. Nothing difficult or special at all very simple basic things, but because it's Russian it has a mind of its own. Not that there's anything wrong with that, same could be said of Italian old motorbikes or any old motorbike, but here you go. Hope you liked the video. If you have questions, feel free to ask them in the comments, and see you on my next videos.